Felt so bad for him. What's up, guys? It's Josiah back here with another video, and in today's video it's gonna be the what's inside the box challenge with
adhemar, adhemar. You already know what it is.
He tried it, but let's get straight into the video, niggas. Okay. Oh my god! Ready? Round one, by the way.
Round one. Oh, what is this? Is it cake?
No.
Shit?
No.
Does it come out of a human body?
I guess, yeah.
What?
What? I guess you could say that.
Why is it all sticky? Oh my... I don't want to grab it. Oh god, why are you... I guess? What do you mean I guess? Oh, it's shit.
No.
It's not, is it shit?
No.
Can you put it in your mouth?
Yes. I wouldn't suggest it though.
It's gooey. Yes it is. What are you talking about? It's not gooey, I'm feeling it. It's a donut.
Nope.
It's a honey bun.
Nope.
It's a food.
It's a food, yes.
It's a cookie.
Nope.
Oh god, why are you guys making that? Can I break it?
Sure.
Oh, I swear you guys, this is shit.
Oh, why did I make that noise?
Is it shit?
No.
What
You
is
keep
it?
saying it's shit.
It feels like shit. It's a cookie.
No.
It's cake. It's a.
No.
Is it baked?
What?
Is it baked? I have it in my hand. It could be shit, and I'm holding it in my hand just in case. Play-Doh.
Nope.
It's greasy.
Oh, is it?
Oh, what do you mean?
No, I wouldn't know. I'm not touching that.
Oh god. Well, I'm already touching it, so. I don't know. Weed?
No.
I don't know.
Don't smoke. Just joking.
I don't know. Should I just keep on rubbing it against my fingers?
Oh my gosh. Wait, what are you doing? Like this?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Oh!
I know. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't know what it is.
Okay, check.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
No.
No, I'm good. Oh, it's all across the pan in your room?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
That's been in there for like a month.
Oh.
Oh.
I feel like this is gonna be too easy.
She knocked over the wall.
Just keep going.
Really?
Oh, God.
I'm about to eat this too. It's a pear.
No.
Potato.
No.
Really? A squash?
No. It's not a fruit.
What the fuck?
Comes out of a human.
No.
Squishy.
I am. It's hard.
It's a pear, man.
Yeah, I know. It's like, I'm gonna eat this shit. Alright, guys.
Shut up. Oh, you go first.
Alright, so I'm gonna go first this round, and butthole juice. Bam! Bam, bam,
Oh,
bam!
God damn.
Flashlight! Flashlight.
God.
Yay.
I thought you were thinking
Your
of
shit
dough.
is too easy.
I'm not disgusting. Alright. I can't even do it. Oh, why is it wet again?
What? Really?
It's a comb.
No, it's not.
It's a brush.
Yes. But for who?
For you.
No.
This is damn well. Oh, for the
the
dog.
dog.
Oh, thank God I touched the rim.
Get the fucking shot.
My first.
Alright, guys. His first. It's out. He's going first this
Alright.
round.
Who's gonna go on for it? Sponge.
Yes.
Fucking wet sponge.
Well, come on.
Oh God.
I'm joking.
It looks like it.
Good job, buddy.
This is too easy, man.
Yeah, you can't wait for the next one.
Oh God.
Alright. What? Is it a lanyard?
No.
It's not. Those are fine.
What's a lanyard? Oh, that's lanyard.
I got to the big part.
It's a big
Oh, it's a
part.
bow. For prom.
It's a bow tie.
Oh yeah, bow tie. It's still a bow. Alright guys, the last round, aka round 4. Before the video ends, let's get this shit started and it's the grand finale, so. Oh fuck! Me first.
You first.
Me first, okay.
Alright. This is gonna be a bit easy.
Little shoelace?
Yeah.
Shoelace?
Yeah.
Really?
I ran out of ideas.
Why shoelace?
Because I didn't have anything else. I forgot my.
Alright guys, you guys already know what's inside his side of the box. Let's just get ready to watch this.
Yeah.
I feel so bad for him.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God.
Wash your hands.